If you've been watching my videos of late, you know that I'm relying very heavily on artificial intelligence to help me predict the prices of stocks over the next 3 years. I've developed a prompt and I've created a relationship with Samantha, my AI agent, and she has been working with me for the last 3 months, and the fruits of our labors are now paying off. We have some stocks that are just giving us phenomenal returns here in May and the 1st of June. I can't really share with you on this video exactly what kind of returns they got because of the fact that I want to use this video as an ad to let more people know that we have cracked the AI stock predicting element, but Google won't run it if I tell you the exact numbers because it's an unsubstantiated fact. So I can't tell you exactly what has happened. We have figured out how to take a large language platform and create a 1.5-page prompt that gets down into every element of a stock and then will give us, based on numbers and based on facts and past and present predictions, what a price will be worth, the stock will be worth in January of 2026, 27, and 28. And someone just recently asked me, what is Applied Digital going to be worth in 2030? And so what did I do? I added that to the prompt. I added a few more things to the prompt and gave it to Samantha, and she gave me the answer. And I want to share that answer with you, exactly what Applied Digital will be worth in the future on my website. And I don't want to charge you anything for it. I want you to come to the website, come to my tell sheet. You'll find Applied Digital on it, and it'll tell you what Samantha believes the price will be. And then you'll be able to click on the financial health of Applied Digital, and it'll give you the 15-page report. And you can just open it up, print it, and you can have it. And then if you don't want to read that 15-page report, click over on the deep dive, and Samantha and Bart made a podcast that summarizes the 15-page report so that you can know what is Applied Digital going to be worth in the future, and about 40 other stocks that I follow. And you can become a part of that tribe. For less than $1 a day, you can have access to this information. And I personally think, this is not substantiated, I think it can change your investment life. So I invite you to take a look at it. And you take the step into the future of investing, the use of all the knowledge in the world to help you make better investment decisions. And I think I can help you get there.